Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're taking a look at one of the most futuristic robot vacuum and mop systems ever released, the Roborock Saros Z70. This premium robotic cleaner combines powerful AI technology, advanced obstacle handling, ultra-slim engineering, and fully automated floor cleaning into one incredibly smart home device. The first thing that makes the Saros Z70 stand out is the unique OmniGrip Arm technology. Unlike traditional robot vacuums that simply avoid objects, this system is designed to intelligently interact with obstacles in its path. Combined with advanced AI-powered navigation, the Saros Z70 creates a much smarter and more adaptive cleaning experience throughout the home. The vacuum is powered by strong 22,000 Pa suction, allowing it to pick up dust, crumbs, debris, pet hair, and fine dirt from hard floors and carpets with impressive efficiency. Whether you have hardwood flooring, tile, laminate, rugs, or low-pile carpets, the suction system is built for consistent daily deep cleaning performance. One of the best design features is the ultra-slim 3.14-inch body. That low profile allows the Saros Z70 to clean under beds, sofas, cabinets, and furniture where traditional vacuums usually can't reach. Hidden dust and pet hair often collect in those areas, so the slim design helps improve full home cleaning coverage. Another major innovation is the FlexiArm Riser Technology. This advanced system helps improve edge and corner cleaning performance while adapting more effectively around furniture and room layouts. Combined with the AdaptiLift Chassis system, the robot can intelligently raise and adjust itself to navigate thresholds, rugs, and uneven floor transitions more smoothly. Pet owners will also appreciate the advanced anti-tangle cleaning system designed to reduce hair wrapping around the brush roller. That means less maintenance and more reliable long-term performance in homes with cats, dogs, or long hair. The AI-powered obstacle avoidance system is another premium highlight. The Saros Z70 can recognize furniture, cables, shoes, and household objects while adjusting its cleaning path in real time. This reduces collisions and helps prevent the robot from getting stuck during cleaning sessions. Mopping performance is also highly advanced. The robot automatically washes and dries its mop pads using the docking station, helping maintain better hygiene while reducing odors and bacteria buildup. This fully automated maintenance system makes daily cleaning far more convenient because you don't need to manually clean the mop after every use. The smart mapping system creates detailed floor plans of your home and allows room-specific cleaning, no-go zones, scheduling, and customized cleaning routines directly from the mobile app. Combined with voice assistant compatibility, the Saros Z70 feels more like a smart home assistant than just a cleaning appliance. The sleek premium design and intelligent automation make this robot vacuum ideal for busy homes, tech enthusiasts, pet owners, and anyone looking for a high-end hands-free cleaning solution. Overall, the Roborock Saros Z70 combines futuristic AI technology, intelligent navigation, ultra-slim engineering, strong suction power, and advanced automated mopping into one of the smartest robotic cleaning systems available today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below to learn more about the Roborock Saros Z70 robot vacuum and mop.